नमस्ते और क्या हाल है सरियादा?
Oh God. Hi.
We will
So,
speak together, but I have a very good friend translator.
Pizalovat. Pizalovat.
Oh, добро пожаловать. Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah.
Welcome. You both are welcome, and it is our honor that we are hosting the world champion and the one of the most beautiful arm wrestlers in the world, the
Thank
world
you.
champion, Snezana Babaeva. Thank you so much for coming. And one more message I want to give to Ukrainian people is that Ukraine Ludi Khrashvo.
Спасибо.
Okay, Srizana, so how are you feeling? Must be feeling good that quarantine is over
I'm feel
in Ukraine.
very good.
Как проходит во время карантина?
Мое время проходит очень хорошо.
During the quarantine time, she feels good because she has more time for her family and friends, and she can devote this time for herself, like for the self-development as well. So yeah, she enjoys this time.
Okay, great. So, Shnezana, let's start please tell us about your achievements. That what have you achieved? What are your medals? How many times you have become the world champion?
Да, во сколько ты можешь заниматься?
Хорошо. Так, 9-кратная чемпионка мира, многократная чемпионка Европы, Словакии, Украины. Это можно, в принципе, среди профессионалов.
She's like nine times world champion and multiple champion in Europe, Ukraine, and some other countries. Yeah, and 4 times World Cup champion. Yeah.
Now that's a great achievement. At what age did you start training?
So the first time she came to the gym, she was just 10 years old, but she started doing arm wrestling when she was 11 years old, and since that time, she's keep going on that. Her brothers are also world tour champions. Rustam, he have 20 times world champion, and her younger brother Ruslan, he's 5 times world champion.
Также Рустам является в топ-8 лучших спортсменов. В прошлом году он был в Open категории плюс, и сейчас в 95. Посмотрим.
So Rustam is in top world best athletes in professional arm wrestling. Yeah.
Okay, now that's a big thing. I'm talking to a royal family. If we take in terms of arm wrestling. Okay, Shrezana, why arm wrestling? Why not some other sport? Why only arm?
Это очень интересная история. Как бы я армрестлинг не знала до того момента, пока не начал заниматься мой старший брат.
So how it started? First, her brother, he started to do arm wrestling and some other martial arts. And Snezana was just playing the piano in the musical school, but then she decided to try it and she really loved it. So she sneakily was missing her music classes, and she joined her brother to try arm wrestling with him. So I decided to devote my life to arm wrestling instead of music because I thought that it's more interesting and more enjoyable to listen to music rather than to create it. So that's why I joined arm wrestling.
Okay, being a girl, did you face any obstacle being an arm wrestler?
Да, были моменты, когда я начинала заниматься, родители меня поддерживали и братья, но
Luckily, my family was supporting me. They always supported me with the sport. But of course, I faced some obstacles during arm wrestling career because most of my friends or neighbors, the boys at school, they were telling me that this is the sport which is not for girls. It's not suitable for girls. So they tried to convince me that I should give up on that. I should do something more girlish, but I never gave up. So that's why I keep going on that, and I really enjoy it.
Snezana, I must tell you, not only Ukraine, in India also, everyone respects you all around the world, and you deserve that respect. We are proud of you. We are proud of you. And who is your idol?
Ну, вот так вот живу, в принципе, так для меня идол, в принципе, ну, нету одного идола.
I think I don't have any idols. In my life, I met a lot of people, and I'm trying to pick the best things from each person I meet in my life. Because I think there are no perfect people I would like to follow or would like to consider as my idols, because I think every person deserves attention and you can learn from every person you meet and pick the best points of them and to improve yourself, like self-improvement.
Now that's a great answer, Snezana. That's why we call you perfect. Okay, tell me your 3 best arm wrestlers.
Это Сара Бекхэм, Ирина Макеева.
And what about men? 3 best. But you can't take the name from your family. I know they are amongst the best. Rustam is best. I am a big fan of Rustam.
Девин Ларат, Джон Бзенг, Эндрю Кобра.
Our choices are the same. Okay, so who do you think is the toughest competitor till date?
Past few years, it's one more time the name?
Esra Kiraz.
Esra
From
Kiraz from
Turkey.
Turkey.
I think the girl with the short hair.
Yeah, and
Very aggressive girl. Very aggressive.
Она здесь с нами в сети, кстати.
she says she's online here, right? Yeah, she joined us.
Okay. My hello also to her.
My hello.
Okay. Now, as a woman, do you believe in women empowerment?
Во многих странах, я понимаю, есть и мусульманские страны, где женщины.
Of course, definitely. I think that this sport and in general, if I am in this sport, it has a big impact on women's empowerment. Because with myself, I can show people that it doesn't matter whether you're a man or a woman. You can participate in these competitions. You can choose whatever you like. You can choose the sport you like. You can choose what you want to do in this life. Because I met a lot of people who have this prejudice. If you're a woman, then you can't do something. So with myself, I want to show people. I want to show women. So it doesn't matter who you are. If you want to do something, if you really love it, you can do it and you can achieve the best results in it. So you should never give up. I'm trying to do my best to encourage the people and women in Ukraine to do some sports and to not only in Ukraine, in the world, to do the sports. And also I encourage all of them and I support all of them to do arm wrestling as well.
Okay, the next question is, I don't know whether you will answer that or not. Do you have any phobia, any weakness?
Перебариваю, подхожу с этим, начинаю дружить, и у меня это проходит.
As I was a kid, definitely I had some phobias, some fears, but I think the best way to overcome it is to try. For example, the day before yesterday, I had a chance to play with the lion, like in real. Like some of the people, it was like a baby lion, like 6 months, but he was pretty big.
Okay.
Like more than 60 kgs. So yeah, more than Snezana. So yeah, I had a chance to play with that lion, and people who were with me, they were really afraid of that, but I really was curious about it. So now I don't think I have any phobias. Anytime I'm unsure about something or I have some concerns, I just want to try it instead of having phobia.
You know, she shares a good relation with lions, as we belong to Lions Empire, and she always shares a good relation with lions. She is a lioness herself also.
You're right. I like lions.
Yeah, definitely. I love lions and I'm in good relation with them.
Мне нравятся львы.
My team hearing this thing, they all will be very happy, and they all are eagerly waiting for your hi. Please say hi to all the Lions Empire and all the India. They really love you.
Hi everyone, Empire Line Classic. See you soon.
Yeah, we are discussing upon that topic later. That see you soon, because you are coming to India once again, God willing, and regularly you will be a part of Lions Empire events. Okay, so if you get a chance, will you compete in ball?
If only I'll have chance to participate there in my weight category. Of course I'll do. I would never miss the chance to participate in World Arm Wrestling League.
You came to India in 2018. Tell me about your experience in India, about India.
Каким был твой опыт в Индии?
Индия мне очень понравилась.
I really loved India.
Это время прошло очень хорошо, так как был и есть хороший организатор, это ты.
I had a really great time there because the person who organized the trip there was amazing. It's you.
И мы смогли
We had a chance to see the amazing places of India with David Loran.
Девин Ларат. И ты нам показал Панджаб. Панджаб очень красивый.
Thank you for showing me Punjab and all the other sightseeing. In those few days, I really had chance to see the best places of India, I think, and the experience there was really great, and it was an impressive trip.
During her tour in India, you remember that incident that happened in Amritsar?
Когда мы приехали в Панджаб, Арвиндер мне сказал, если он хочет, чтобы я всем рассказала, хорошо, я это расскажу без проблем.
So, okay, if you want me to share this story, I'll definitely share it. It was when we went to the temple. I was wearing my...
The name of the temple is Golden Temple. Yeah, we went there. Yeah.
And I had 2 pairs of shoes with me, one sneakers, it was Adidas sneakers, and another one high heels. But before entering the temple, there was like a security guy asking all of us to take off the shoes and put all our belongings away because we couldn't enter with them. So I had no idea what's gonna happen next. So I took off my shoes, I gave all my belongings to them, and in my bag I had some duty-free stuff like perfume, some girl stuff. So I gave everything there. I went barefoot to the temple, and after some time, when we were about to leave the temple, we came to the exit, and I was like, okay, I want my shoes back, I want my things back, and they were like, no, nation.
That was a prank. That was a prank played by me. I told her that those things you have donated to the temple, and she was like, please get my shoes back. Please get my shoes back.
That's you told me too late that it's for donation, but before I had no idea. When I was giving all this stuff to them, I was thinking that it's like I can get it back after we will leave the temple. But then I was just begging the security guy and everyone like, okay, maybe just in this case you can give me my things. Okay, I can leave some stuff, just give me some stuff back, because like it was everything in that bag. So and the friend with whom I was, he was like really laughing hard of that, because like, so please, a tip for everyone who's gonna travel to India to visit this golden temple.
Punjab.
Please, wear the cheapest shoes you ever had.
Please, people, remember.
Wear the cheapest. Okay.
She told me, please get my shoes back. Please give my belongings back. I'll give something else. I'll pay the money. Those were amongst the best days of my life that I spent with you and Devon, and I really miss those days. What do you think about Lions Empire Classic, the event you attended?
I really liked the way it was organized at that time, and I really hope I'll have the chance to participate in it again, and I'll definitely want to support this time the organization and everything of this competition.
Shazana, I saw your competition on the internet also, the Babayevers Cup. It was a big success. Congratulations to you, Rustam and Ruslan, and whole of your family. It was a great competition. Now there is some rapid fire questions for you. Are you ready for that?
Okay, I wait.
But you have to answer very fast. What comes first, family or arm wrestling?
It's hard. It's both. They are both on top. There is nothing like one on top for me. Both family and arm wrestling.
What is your favorite food?
I don't have a favorite dish, but I really love different kind of salads with meat, with steaks. But sometimes I'm really in a good mood, so I make cakes at home, and of course I can't stop myself of trying them.
For happy.
You know, like for happiness, it makes me happy.
Okay, Shnezana, as a cook or as an arm wrestler, who is better?
Arm wrestler, of course.
Definitely arm wrestler.
Are you a coffee girl or a beer girl?
Ты девушка кофе или пиво?
Coffee girl.
Definitely coffee girl.
Coffee girl. So that is a big information. All the guys out there now they know what to ask you when you go out on a date. What do you prefer in your future husband?
Я могу его сделать, может быть, и богатым потом в будущем, если он не совсем богатый.
It's not really right to choose handsome or rich. For example, if you talk about rich, it doesn't mean that he can make you happy. And
Если
yeah,
женщина
and the
умная,
same
сделает.
about the handsome guy. It doesn't mean that he can make you happy. Of course, when it's a combination of both, it's good, but it's not important because you know, like when you meet someone, it's better to have a person next to you who will share the same thoughts, the same lifestyle with you, like your soulmate, instead of just rich or handsome. And I think if you're in relation, like both of you need to work on your relation. Both of you should be committed to this relation, and then if you can make a person happy, then this person can achieve huge things. He can become rich, he can become successful.
Okay. Any advice you want to give to upcoming athletes?
Если спортсмены, которые еще не достигли максимальных результатов, то, конечно,
If those who are like on their way to success, of course, they should never give up. They should always do their best to work on themselves.
I want to share a story with you, Shnezana. A guy who took interview. You remember the guy who was taking interviews of all the athletes and you and Devin? His name is JP. You might not remember the name, but there is a story behind that
Yes.
person.
окей.
The mic you was using. You remember when you were giving the interview? He's still keeping that mic safe with him in a drawer, and he is not allowing anyone to use that mic.
Ничего себе.
Now you know what kind of fan following you have in India, and how much everyone loves you out here.
Thank you very much.
Actually, my whole team wants to say a big thank to you, the whole Lions Empire team, that you came to our event, and it was a big thing for all of us that you joined us. I want to thank you regarding that event also, that you helped me out so much.
Thank you very much. Спасибо большое вам. Это была отличная организация.
Yes, thanks a lot. You really organized where everything on top, you know, everything was the best, and I really enjoyed that experience with you, and I hope we'll have another chance to share that experience together.
Я всегда вас рада видеть.
A special thank is coming to you, to your friend Shnezana, that you are translating all this stuff. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
The work you have done today.
Thank you. It's our pleasure.
And Shnezana, thank you so much for joining us today. It was an amazing time that we spent again. And one more thing, that Shnezana, thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining us. It was a lovely time. Thank you, ma'am, for everything.
My pleasure.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And hope that we meet soon. We come on a live session again.
You're welcome. Our pleasure.